So since this is plastic, I'll start off by using some plastic promoter. That will help the paint adhere to the plastic.
So here's the result of the DIY painting of the grill. I'm reasonably happy with it. This is my first try with painting something that is on a car, apart from the bumpers, but this is a nice one where I've sanded it down, blended it up, and yeah, it's also good to learn about this. Not only does it save me a lot of money, but I've also got to learn a few things about the process in order to supervise somebody if I need to check on something that, okay, if I wanted to try something out. That's why I try a lot of DIY, so I know what I'm doing. So here we've got the 124, and I'm gonna have to take off the trunk. So I'm gonna repaint this. Actually, it is already repainted, but I'll be showing you what I did in the next video. And yeah, it does have some micro scratches because I used the wrong grit of sandpaper. But otherwise, if you look at it from this side, it is polished well. It does have a decent finish. You can see my face in it. Is that like the check? Is that how you check? But yes, that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm quite happy with the result here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna paint the whole car because that's gonna take too much time and won't be ready in another 2 weeks. So I'm just gonna paint this. I'm gonna hammer out these dents. So I'll learn a bit about bodywork and hammer the 2 dents on both the sides, fit the grill, paint the skirts, they're not painted yet, and fit them correctly because they do have a bit of, and then I'm good to go. That will be ready to some extent, and this car will be ready to be used. So that is what we're going to see in the next few videos, how I get from the grill to working on this. I'll paint this up, and I'll also show you the bonnet. So see you guys in a bit.